welcome to our life in the Philippines. We are on our way home. We've been down in Limay and Mariveles. Took a motorcycle ride today, and we're on our way home. We'll stop, make one stop in a small place, small town called Lubao, and where Janice has an uncle living, and we're just gonna pop in and say hello to everybody. And I'm going to take you out because they are right now they're harvesting the rice here. One of our subscribers asked, planning on retiring here, and was asking if there's any land available. This is an area. It's a typical farm area in Lubao, and there is about 5 acres of land available here for sale, and they're telling me, I need to find out more information about it. They're telling me that the price is about 15 million pesos for the 5 acre, and I believe it is rice fields mainly, and I'm going to find out some more information. But let's go out and have a look at the fields out here. Alright, so basically this whole area I think is just mainly rice, and I don't know if you can see down the road here how they lay the rice out on the road and have it dry in the sun. Is that what they're doing, right? And here we have a little curry bowl down there. But this whole area is farming. There's nothing else out here pretty much. They have some manufacturing in Lubao, and here we go. That's a little curry bowl right there. What does he have? The green grass on his horn? That looks funny. It looks funny.
Look at the horn. There's some.
Yeah. That is a national
Carabao.
Carabao.
Yeah, that's our national animals.
Yeah. And there's a lot of evidence of carabao here on the ground. Carabao poop. Alright, so we're going to do a little pan, and down the field, I don't know if you can see it, but down there, there are probably about 20-30 people out there, and they're harvesting the rice today. So it's harvest time.
The last time we came here is planting the plant.
Oh yeah, they were planting when we were here.
Yeah.
How long ago was that? Like 4 months ago?
Yeah, 4 months.
4 months, 3-4 months ago. We did a short little video when we were here. The other thing is, you know, if somebody would plan to retire here and have a little farming in this particular area, there is a few foreigners, Australians, Americans, that are married to Filipinos, and they have made this to their home in their retirement age. So there's, if you are a foreigner and you come here, you have a little bit of company once you get to know the people. So what do they do here now? They cut the rice, or how do they do?
Cut the rice and then put it on the machine that can separate the whole grain, and then
All right, so that's what we see, the things spurting out. They're separating.
Yeah, if you watch on farming in the Philippines,
Yeah.
That's the way you do it.
Right. So they have machines that separates all that.
Yeah.
And they basically
And
get
then,
it.
and then on the other side also is the rice holes.
Right,
Rice holes.
right. And what do they do with the grass after they're done?
They make it fertilize.
Oh, so they just
They make it dry and then fertilize
the ground with it.
yeah, yeah.
So it's coming back to the nature,
Yeah.
natural fertilizer. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I see a few caribous out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a whole lot of them, and several of them down there. They're part of the farming. Anyway, this is her uncle's living quarters and his house, and they do have a little bit of farmland. But is any of that land on the back there your uncle's or?
Yeah. There are siblings who live here.
Oh, okay. That's interesting. So let's go to the backyard. Last time we were here, they had some small little ducklings, and now they are getting big ducklings. Should we go and take a look?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure.
All right. And there's chicken running around here, and there's a few other things. And this is mango trees, right?
Yeah, there is a mango tree over there. They have 4 mango trees, but the other one is lots of.
Yeah, a lot of fruits. Mango trees gives a lot of shade, actually. It's really nice.
Yeah, that one is a lot of fruits.
This one here,
Yeah.
I don't know if we can see it, but
Yeah,
here,
let's see it over there. If you wanna go on this other way.
but here is the little ducklings. They have their own little pond.
Oh, there's a but I need some
What? Mama duck. Wasn't there 2 mama ducks here before?
Yeah, it's a little
But I only see one now. Maybe they ate the other one. Maybe they ate the other one. But anyway, so here's, is this new plant of rice, I guess?
Yeah.
So they just planted again. And this looks like it has been harvested already.
Yeah. They're harvesting
Yeah, and
all
they burn the grass, it looks like,
yes. Goes fertilized.
right?
Just wanna try to.
Over there you have 5, 6 caribous too.
Yeah.
In the backyard. But this is part of her uncle's, some of it, not all of it, but some of it, where they grow their rice and a few other things. And here we have some, are these mangoes, huh? These are not mangoes, what are they?
I don't know. It's kind of like orange, similar to pomelo.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's like a pomelo.
I don't know what they are, but
All I want to do is to get the mango. I really like mango.
you want to get to the mango?
Yeah.
I'm blind, I guess. I don't see any mango.
There's a lot of mango. If you want to come here and decide.
Man, that mango falls down, it'll kill one of these ducks.
Look. Look.
Oh
Over
yeah,
there.
oh yeah, but that's way up there.
Yeah. That's why.
Way up there.
That's why I need to go up.
Yeah, but they're so small, honey.
No, that one is good.
They're so small.
They're not going to get. They're not going bigger. That's their size.
Like this?
Yes. It never go big.
Right.
If I really like to have a home, maybe I will go up. I know how to go up.
No, don't fall down. Oh, this is, you know what this is? This is the, what do you call it? Jackfruit tree, right? Jackfruit.
It's a jackfruit.
And it's a different taste to it.
Sweet and
But it's
smell good.
sweet, and I actually liked it.
Yeah.
They cook it. There you see a couple of big ones. They're really big ones. That
Yeah.
fall down on your head, it hurt you.
I don't know how can I get those.
I don't know, huh?
I will ask my uncle if he has a long,
Picker?
yeah. This one. So I can pick. This one also is a mango tree.
What do we got here?
Huh?
Look at these little things.
And there's another mango tree over there. Big one.
Chicken, ducklings running around with their yellow feathers.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that might not be your uncle's though.
But this one is there.
Huh?
There's a mango. No mango here, I think.
No.
But this one, I think.
Look at the chicken. They're following you, huh? They're following you. You're mama chicken now. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to see my uncle. He's picking up the mango for me to bring ladder. Yeah, may hagdanan pala kayo eh. Oo. Laglag tapos mabugbog na. The mango is over there. Will pick up mango for me. There you go. Lalaki pa naman ng mga ano niya. It's coming down.
Alright, so that's just a little show around there on the property. Very short video, but this is kind of how they live. And it's very, very modest lifestyle, but it is peaceful for those of you who likes it.
I think this one is already, harvest already the mango.
Yeah, maybe. They sell it?
Nope.
They don't sell it?
Nope.
Just eat it. Yeah, well, mango, green mango has a lot of C vitamins in it. Alright. Alright, that's just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and God bless.